Students, we will do the topic advertisement in this video. You have seen advertisement in the newspapers, on the television screen, and of course on the roads in the form of flex boards when you were going somewhere. But we have to study what is an advertisement. Here it is written that the word advertisement means a public notice or an announcement asking for or offering services. बेटा किसी भी बात की अनाउंसमेंट जो है वो एडवर्टीजमेंट कहलाता है, जो कुछ एक सर्विसेज को ऑफर कर रहा है. ऑफरिंग सर्विसेज, एडवर्टाइजिंग फॉर बाइंग और सेलिंग प्रॉपर्टी, हाउस होल्ड गुड्स, व्हीकल्स, एटसेट्रा. We can see the term advertisement are also used for giving information about missing persons, pets, goods, and so on. Advertisement is a very important tool for promotion of sales and services. क्या कहना चाह रहा है? He want to say that the advertisement is a tool to promote something, to promote goods and also for the services. There are two types of advertisements. The first is the classified advertisements and the second is the commercial or display advertisement. Students, the first is the classified advertisement. The classified advertisement means when we classified a term advertisement according to their classification, according to their class, this is called classified advertisement. For example, about the situation vacant, lost and found, situation wanted, travel and tours, about the vehicles, property, appeal, to let, missing person and pet, and about the matrimonial. We have seen a lot of advertisement about these in the newspapers. When a person is missing, then the notice will come in the newspaper that we found out the person, then we will get the reward. About these advertisements are called the classified advertisement. Situation vacant, about the job. Situation wanted, about the also the job. And something when we lost or found, it is also called a classified advertisement. Now, student, we will do about commercial advertisements. What is a commercial advertisement? These type of advertisements are published in the newspapers, magazines and on TV by leading manufacturers, establishments, organizations, etc. for the publicity and promotions of their product, services or events. We can see there are many products. We can see the advertisement on the television, and when the advertisement with any reason stopped, the person does not buy the product. ऐसा ही होता है जब हम किसी चीज की एडवर्टीजमेंट को ज्यादा से ज्यादा देखते हैं तो वही प्रोडक्ट सेल होने लगता है बेटा ज्यादा. The aim of display advertisement is to spread awareness, make appeals, announce sales discounts, information about any inauguration, etc. The second name for commercial advertisement is display advertisement. And here we have written about the guidelines for drafting classified advertisement. Because student, when you are writing something in the writing portion of English, you very well known about the guidelines, about the format of that topic. Without the proper format and without proper guidelines, the advertisement or any topic, you couldn't get the marks. So please listen. The first is the advertisement should always have simple and effective language. The language should be very simple. क्योंकि समझने वाले की बात में समझ आ जाए तभी आपका प्रोडक्ट जो है, जिस प्रोडक्ट की आप एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हैं, जिस बात को आप किसी को बता रहे हैं, वो ध्यान से सुनेगा उसको. सेकंड, इट शुड ऑलवेज बी ब्रीफ एंड टू द पॉइंट. छोटा होना चाहिए एडवर्टीजमेंट, आपने कुछ भी उसमें एक्स्ट्रा बातों को नहीं लिखना और टू द पॉइंट टू पॉइंट हमने बात करनी है। थर्ड, it should always be meaningful and interesting so that they can attract the attention of the readers, कि पढ़ने वाला जब उसे पढ़ रहा है तो उसे जल्दी वो बात समझ में आ जाए, उसे इंटरेस्टिंग लगे वो फैक्ट और उसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो। हम किसी प्रोडक्ट को कब खरीदते हैं? जेन्युइन सी बात है, जब हमें वो अट्रैक्शन देता है। और अट्रैक्शन कब देता है? जब उस प्रोडक्ट के साथ साथ उसको जो कहने वाली बात है उसको हम इजिली ग्रैस्प करेंगे, समझेंगे, अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे। The fourth is the name of the advertiser and the advertised product should be suitably highlighted. जिस भी प्रोडक्ट का हम एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हैं और जो एडवर्टाइज कर रहा है, दोनों बातों को हमने हाईलाइटेड करना है। So students, we learn about advertisement in this topic in this video, and one thing I want to clear that the topic will be in always capital letters, but not in advertisement. In all the topics of the writing portion, you must have write the topic in capital letters, beta. It is a rule, you can say. And about the advertisement, we will learn about some basic examples of advertisement we have studied in classified advertisement and in commercial advertisement in our next video. उस वीडियो में मैं आपको कुछ एक ऐसे एग्जाम्पल दे दूंगी जिससे आपको एडवर्टीजमेंट किस तरह से बनाया जाता है ये भी पता लग जाए बेटा। लिसन केयरफुली एंड अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक एंड राइट इट इन योर fair notebook so that you can study it later on and ask me about the problems of the advertisement. Thanks a lot, beta.